Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the Laboratory of Mayhem. Today, we're going to be discussing a new option for your customizing the Worldbox AT218. This is a more robust, thicker female body. I do a lot of customizing, I do a lot of commission work, and it gives you some options to make a more realistic representation of your character. This is something that like you might want. Uh, Not everybody wants the same kind of like waif-like body that you see in a lot of things. Now, this can't be an actual unboxing because these figures are very anatomically correct, and YouTube does not like us showing those things on camera. But this is basically what you get. You get an extra several pairs of hands, a couple extra pairs of feet for like high heels if you want them, and get her out of here, her little prison, little cardboard prison. I popped this head on. The figures do not come with heads. They do not come with the outfit. Um, they are not necessarily, they're definitely not for kids. This is a Worldbox, which standard, they're they're advertised as crazy durable, and they're very heavy. They're considerably heavier than your standard body. As you can see, the proportions on this are much thicker than you're used to. If you're buying an outfit, you're going to have to probably get something custom made unless it's very stretchy, because this is not going to fit on your standard the standard clothes that you would get. But silicone top. These are swappable with a lot of the Worldbox figures. They have options where you can remove the legs, you can trade them out for other legs. Same with the arms. They also have solid base arms that you could put into these so that it's a static position, but it is seamless. If you are a person that doesn't like joints exposed, or if you're looking for something that's going to be clothed, this would be a good option. But if the joints do bother you, this will be a problem for you. But I'm going to give you a comparison here next to some of the other figures. This is the brand new release from Worldbox Bodies. This is for customizers and kit bashers. This is the, see if I can get the glare off, the AT218. This is the more robust female body. It's for someone who does a lot of customizing. Myself, I do commission work, and often I will get people that want a realistic depiction. Sometimes you'll find that if you take someone's head sculpt and you just put it on a standard idealized body, it doesn't quite capture the same likeness because, well, it's just too much of a difference. It's too shocking to see someone looking that much differently. It's sort of like when you see a celebrity who's done like a sudden weight loss, they don't quite look the same. There's some people that you know that just they need that larger body in order to carry that likeness to them. Worldbox gives you a great variety of these. Standard thing comes with the swappable hands. It comes with a couple options with feet. It can have the high heel shoe option in the body. So if you wanted to put high heel shoes on it, you could, rather than just a flat. I'm going to turn this around a little bit so you can kind of see the proportions. Have to be careful here with the little bikini I had to make to put on these to show it off because, well, they are very anatomically correct as you look at these figures. Now, you can see the proportions if you're used to 6 scale. You can kind of see how much larger, wider the body is. If you're not familiar with it, these are exposed joints. They're very sturdy, very tough. It's a much heavier body than you're used to with your standard Hot Toys variations. But it's very durable, and the joints are sort of ratcheted too, so they can hold a position pretty well. You can. One thing I will caution you with, like the head that you're choosing for the body, I had to go through several to try and find one that fit more accurately to it. Sometimes the heads run a little bit small and will have a little bit of a pea body or small head uh, effect on it if you're not careful which one you choose. Now, to give you some idea about the comparisons between the other Worldbox bodies, this is the AT202. It's got like more womanly hips. The AT201, which is sort of like a girl's adolescent body. And we have the AT206, which is the muscular bodybuilder body. Um, the hip joints, this one are very, very exposed, so that's going to be a problem if you're looking for something that's going to be exposed more. This will probably work better if you're looking for something that's going to have some kind of clothing on it. One thing that I don't like about the pure silicone bodies is they are very, very difficult to try and get an outfit on because the silicone does stick to it rather stubbornly. But give you an idea of what this looks like in comparison to Hot Toys. Here's the Hot Toys Black Widow figure from Winter Soldier. Now, these all run about 11 inches. So in your 6 scale, that's going to be about 5'6" for this figure. So as someone who does a lot of customizing, I prefer a great deal of variety in my figures, so it doesn't look like just a standardized shelf with the old G.I. Joe or Barbie mentality where everyone is the same height and same size. If you're looking to have various characters, this could be for something like some celebrities be larger, a little thicker, and you might want that option for this. But Worldbox is a great great option for you if you're looking for something to give you that variety in figures. The posability is good. Look at the leg. See how much bend you can get to the leg. The hip articulation is a little limited. You will kind of crunch up the body there a little bit, but it can go all the way to here, push out this way, moves to the side. It's got hip, back, head articulation. The arms are a little bit limited, but it's a sacrifice that you lose a little bit of the elbow flexibility because you have to have it. You would have to have a double joint here, which would be much less visually appealing. So, but you get a good range of motion with it. So as long as you're not trying to have her talking on her phone, which what woman does that? But we go here, and you can kind of see the range of motion that you get with the body. So it's a good option for you if you're looking for something with a little bit different shape. And if you have a character or a custom that you're looking for that body might fit and really look like someone that you're trying to capture, this is a good option for you. I picked this up at Giant Toy. I've always had great service from Giant Toy. It was about $60, I believe. It was a pre-order. You'll probably find them on eBay right now. The prices will probably jump up because that's usually what happens. But it's a great option. I'm very happy with the overall result, and I can't wait to find a figure that I'm going to work on to put this into action. But that's your Worldbox AT218 figure, and check that out if you're interested. So that's the unboxing review of the Worldbox 218 thicker female figure. This isn't an obese figure, so if you were trying to find something for a certain character that's going to be like that large, this is not it. Very natural, very ordinary, everyday physique that you would find with this. But it's available for you there if you'd like it. As I said earlier, I picked this up at Giant Toy. They should have them in stock. I just got mine a couple weeks ago. Had to take some time to make the little outfits for everybody so that you could kind of see the articulation but still keep everything covered. Go check them out if you're looking for something that's going to give you some variety on your shelf. And again, thank you for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe thing that YouTube seems to like so much. Thanks for your time.